Good morning. I'm so tired. We got back at 5 or half 5 last night and it's like 8 now, so we barely had any sleep. It's not even that sunny, to be honest. We've got a boat at 9, so I'm just so tired. Oh, Jesus. And I've got such a dodgy stomach as well. Like, today could be the day that I crap my pants. And I'm not excited because we're going on a boat. Oh, I'm going to be a mess today, so pray for me.
That's how I feel.
No words. We're just going to get some breakfast. And then we had to check in to the boat for 15:15. Jack's literally just gotten up. He's dead to the world, as per usual. So we are at the boat place. I'm so tired. No idea what's going on. Everyone's leaving, and I'm not quite sure if this is meant to be us or what. This doesn't have full battery. I didn't bring the waterproof casing, and I have the surfboard mounts as well if I'm going to surf today, but we're not going to be using that either because I didn't bring them. Is everyone buzzing?
Hey.
Hannah's like, stop recording me. Right, we're getting on this one. So many people up at the port. Everyone's going on boat trips today. Wish we were going on a speedboat, but I guess this is a speedboat-ish.
And then boys just dead.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Look how clear the water is.
Put these on.
Yeah, 2, you can't see my tired eyes. I'm so ready to jump in that though. You can see the bottom, but it's deep.
Oh, stop it.
Oh, Jesus, so we need to jump in to get to the beach. Do you want to hold this and I'll jump in a little bit? Oh, God.
Oi! Right, what do you need? Don't film me coming in though, please.
Oh! Let's get a little bit deep. Yeah, it's quite graceful. Just don't want to get any of the bags wet.
I really need a wee.
Wait then. Right, we're going in the sea. So hot. Peace out.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Just come from one beach. Now we are on the other one. I think it's called like Aventura, something like that. There's like a famous palm tree over there that we're gonna get a picture on soon. But oh, it's beautiful, beautiful.
That's a little bit less. Hello,
How you feeling? Good.
We're
We're probably gonna sunbathe, chill, go in the water, and get some food.
They say Peli.
Yeah.
Hello, folks. I needed something different to start off the segment. I don't really know what beach we're at, but this is it. It's pretty bloody beautiful. We've been tanning for a little bit and now we're just gonna go get some, I don't know, some food and a cold beverage because my mouth is like the Sahara Desert right now. See you at lunch.
How cool is that? Imagine sleeping on the beach. Like literally, the sea is there. We should have done that. Oh my god, look at this tiny, tiny, tiny doggy. Hi, puppy. Oh my goodness. Hi, hi. We just got back on the boat. We went and had some food and then went and took pictures of that, the tree, the famous tree. We're going to our last stop, which is, I don't know how far away it is, but we've got an hour there. And it's meant to be really, well, it looks so cold right now. It's meant to be really, really good for snorkeling. So we're just gonna be in the water the whole time. I didn't bring my waterproof case, but Bo has his, so hopefully we can get some.
We've gotten to the point where we realise that we are obsessed with Coke and Pepsi and we need to stop drinking them.
I'm like, oh, I'm doing so well, I'm not even drinking, like, I'm not even eating chocolate anymore. But it's because I've substituted the sugar for just a Coke.
But like, sometimes you just need a Coke because you're just that depleted of energy.
An ice cold Coke is just like, oh, look how bloody blue the water is. Literally.
We are in heaven. Absolute heaven.
So good.
And it's still
I got this ginormous fucking wedgie and my teeth came out.
Oi!
Look at them all, they look like look at all the people wearing their bags, they just look funny. They look like they come to get rescued.
They look so funny. Should I see if I can try and get up from here? Oh.
Stop it.
Ready?
Come on.
One.
Come on. You got it. Go on. Come on.
Come in.
Can't get it. He's almost like completely pulled you up by one hand and you couldn't get up.
we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Just snorkeled for the last however long. We saw a turtle. I tried to get close to it, but I'm pretty sure the GoPro was off, so there might not be any video. No, it was still good. Are you ready? Do you want a bicky, Hannah? Oh no! You dropped it! Where is it? So we're just leaving the beach. We just watched the sunset. So we got back and all four of us were just disgusting. Like so salty and sticky and horrible. We've all just had showers. We're all clean now, thank the Lord. We're just gonna go get some food. I'll show you the dorm. Because we're in one with 3 bunk beds. They're so high.
The bathroom doesn't even work.
Oh yeah, the
They're
shower.
high and they don't have a...
No, if I was up there, I would roll off and die. The bathroom doesn't work, the shower doesn't work, so yeah, this hostel isn't the best. But I'm gonna end it here so we can go and chill and have some dinner. So thanks for coming to paradise with us. We'll chat to you tomorrow. Peace.